Hello everyone, and so today I'm going to take you on a journey all the way through from Earth to the Earth's core. So now let's start our drill. All good, engine started. And in case if you don't know what the core is, it's like the middle of the Earth. It is 3958 miles away. This is the crust, kind of like the skin of the apple, except that you can't eat it. Yeah, you can't. Oh, look at these cute little guys. Yes, these rabbits are actually pros and they can dig holes until 2 feet. Now we are going to go even down from here and we are going to see worms at the maximum depth of 10 feet. Now we are, oh, what are those signals? Oh yeah, it's the metal detector. The signals can reach as deep as this. And we can see all of the treasures that guy was trying to find. Oh, what is that? Look at this, a gold mine, or a mine, I guess. Hey, look at that guy, he's trying to mine. Looks like he's a little too surprised. Over here we are at 26 feet. Now we are going to continue from here. We are going to see some plumbings and others alligators. These guys can dig up holes really deep, around 39 feet exact. Yeah, that's, oh my god, where are we? This is the Deep City, and this is an actual city in Australia which has a population of around 20,000 people and is as deep as 278 feet, and it has buildings up till 18 level, and there is even a whole metro system so that the people can go up and down whenever they want. Cool, right? Now we are going to go even deep from here through some more stone and some fossils as well. This is the continental crust. Here are two important things you should know. This thing is 2 billion years old, and over here we can see a lot of fossils because most of the fossils, around 40%, are here. Now going deeper from here, we are going to see many places, things like silicon, aluminium, oxygen and other crystals. Going even deeper, we are going to see some more of these minerals, and if we are lucky we can find some diamonds as well. Yeah, precious stones they are. Dig deeper and deeper. We are going to go and slant this thing at an angle because over here this happened in 2004, and this is one of the biggest salt mines and one of the deepest one as well. Oh my god. Goodbye guys. Okay, now over here at 695 feet we are going to go now vertically again because those people were like, yeah. We are going to go through some many caves because humans have not explored these places. These are like way too deep and there's nothing such as deep that we can go. Also we are going to see some ice over here, and now we are going to dig even further. Okay, going deeper, we are going to find nuclear things like uranium, thorium and potassium, the ones used in nuclear explosions. Going deeper, we are going to reach this deepest cave in the world, which is Georgia. Now about here 1.4 miles, we are going to reach the deepest train system ever, which was made in 2016, and it is in Switzerland. Here it is. Yeah, I guess I should not waste so much time and just continue digging. Over here now at 2.2 miles, we are going to see some more digging machines, and this is the Teutonia system. The Teutonia gold mine is one of the deepest mines in the world. Actually, it is the deepest mine in the world. And now you are going to see that everything gets a little warm here. We have reached another place which is really hot, and it has molten rocks, also known as lava. This whole thing is as thick as 1801 miles, which is covering 65% of the earth's part. And over here we are going to see 4 elements as well. And now we are going to go deeper and deeper and deeper. This is also a part of the same place we are currently in. We are also going to find more diamonds over here. I don't know how, but yes, we are going to find diamonds. Even more diamonds. Even more diamonds. As you can see, now the color has gotten bright red because we have reached in a place right after that. We are also going to get some many other clusters formed by this, and now we are at 435 miles deep, which is around 700 kilometers. This is getting really thick right now. Now we are going to, oh my god, this place is so bright. We are here at the part of the outer core, and this place is really hot, very hot actually. And so this whole part over here is actually around 1814 miles big, and this is the size of the planet Mars. Yes, this is actually how big it is. And now we are going to, and this is also the place where this is the magnetic fields which over here, and without them the life would be impossible. And now going further deeper from here, we are going to reach this place. This is the inner core. This is the place we have reached now, and I'm going to show you how much stuff it has. So it has a lot of iron and very little nickel over here, and this is how hot it is. 6000 degrees Celsius. And also this is the size of the moon. Can you believe it? Like the whole size of the moon is like inside of our earth. That's crazy, right? And wait, the video does not end over here. And even on this core right over here, this core is actually one of the most unexplored place ever located in the earth, because also a lot of scientists are trying to find what else is there and everything. And over here we are going to see some kind of crystal shape over here, and this is what we call as the crystal core. And this is the place we actually had to reach. So now we are going to dig even a little more. This is the inner core we have reached. This is how deep it is, around 1 billion miles. Actually not a billion miles. Okay, let's plant a flag here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe and share the knowledge, and we will see you guys in another video. And okay, let's get up and finish this thing. Goodbye.